Hello, it's Tristan here from ZebraInvest, and today I'm bringing you a sneaky little tip that you can use on Zoopla to be able to reach out to all your local agents to try and find any deals that they might be struggling to put together, or those little bits of stock that you can't usually typically find online. So what do I mean? So what I'm going to be doing is heading over to Zoopla. You might have seen, I've done a little video on this once before where I did it to buy my first ever property that I converted from 1 bedrooms to 2 bedrooms when I ran ZebraInvest. And it's a really simple little tool that when you head to Zoopla, you've got a listing of all of the agents in the local area, and it's a really quick way that you can get in touch with all of them. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to head over there, show you exactly how to do it, and hopefully you're going to be able to find deals like these. I also picked up, using this exact method the other year, a freehold block of flats, and with those we bought 5 flats in one building, got a lawful development certificate, agreed to buy it for £300,000, got the lawful development certificate, uplifted the value and sold it for £425,000. So this is a really powerful but simple little tip to how you can make some really good money and find some decent deals. So what I'm going to do here is just share my screen, and we're just going to head over to Zoopla. And you can see, as soon as you go on, it's pretty easy to use. It's exactly obviously like Rightmove or On the Market. I'm sure you've come across Zoopla before. And it's quite good because you tend to get some agents who signed up for Zoopla because it's slightly cheaper per month for them to advertise than it is on Rightmove. And so it's also got this great little tool on there. So what you're going to do is type in your area. And in my case, I'm based in Norwich. So I'm just going to click Norwich, Norfolk. And then what this is going to do is just going to put up a search area for your results. So in my case here, I'm looking for sales properties. But you can see that we've got 1,119 properties coming up there. But what you do, if you scroll to the bottom of it, you usually have this little contact relevant agents and new homes developers. So what I want to do is only contact, in my case, I'm only looking for agents who are dealing with these kind of properties that I want. So I'm just going to enter my details here. PG at ZebraInvest. There you go. If anyone ever wants to get in touch with me, that's my details. And then what we're going to do is to say I'm an investor. And then you're just going to type in a little bit about what you are looking for. So whether or not you're, say, for example, looking for freehold flat blocks of flats, whether you're looking for a short lease flat or flat large 1 beds that you can turn from 1 bedrooms to 2 bedrooms, or you could even just put stuff, look, I'm looking for a property, I'm looking to step into where there's a chain that's fallen apart, I'm looking to buy something like that, or I'm looking to buy something where it's a property that's got, say, 2 staircases, because if you've got 2 staircases, then you can subdivide it, split it into 2, or if you could put any detail in here you like about a specific property to be able to get into them. And in my case, I'm turning around and saying, look, could you help out with my search? I'm looking to buy freehold blocks of flats. So ideally blocks of flats, but they haven't been title split before. So maybe I can lift up and add some value there. Hopefully I can refurbish them. And then I've said, do you have any for sale? I'm also looking to buy part built or unfinished development projects. And unfortunately, in the market at the moment, where build costs have gone up, there's some people are going to be struggling to sell. There could also be a good little opportunity there. And these opportunities are going to be all around the country, not just in Norwich. So I'm not too precious about sharing this information. So here, as you come down, you've got a whole selection of estate agents. But I'm only going to be selecting the ones in the area that I want to work in. So, for example, I'm going down here. I don't want new homes. I don't like NR7 is actually quite a nice neck of the woods. NR12 is out the way. NR20 is out the way. NR19 for me is out the way. NR12 is out the way. Don't want new homes. Don't want the agency. They're out of London, out of Norwich. Stratton Parker, we'll keep those in. Martin & Co, well out the area. Pim & Co, Webster's, Property Ladder, they're all nice people. Purple Bricks aren't likely to have someone there who's going to respond to this kind of information. So we'll go through these ones. And I'm just, as you can tell, I'm focusing on those who are kind of local, the ones who are likely to respond. These are all developers, so I'd leave those. Mills Knight, Reality. Yopa, again, they are an online agency, so not much point in contacting them. Diamond Country, Vario. And there you go. You can see exactly what I've done there. Then all I'm going to do is click send message. So suddenly I've now got in touch with 28 different agents in the area. There you go. I've sent to 30 different estate agents in one click. So this is a really easy way of getting out and in touch with a whole load of agents. They're all going to receive that lead, and hopefully if there's an opportunity sitting there that they've looked at, or they've got a landlord who's been struggling, then you can come in and hopefully sweep in and save the day. So for those of you who are looking to rent to rent or bring on properties that way around, you can do exactly the same. I'm not going to send out all the messages on this one because it's not my deals that I'm looking for at the moment. I'm not looking for rent to rent deals, but there is exactly the same way of doing it. So I'll just share it quickly so then you can see exactly what you do. But all you do is just jump in, click to rent instead. You can put in Norwich. Well, you might not want Norwich, you might want your investment area rather than my one. You're going to jump in here, you'll set whatever your parameters are, and you can again head to the bottom of the page and literally type in exactly what you're looking for and who you want to contact. Again, you can see here there is quite a lot of agents, 24 there in the area. You can then work through whichever ones, type in your details, send them a message, and get it. So those agents who are looking for someone actively to rent stuff out to, they might then give you a call to get in touch. But the other way of doing it is literally, as you all know, is picking up the phone, giving them a call, following up to make sure they know exactly who you are, and so they want to do business with you. Well, I hope you found this video useful, short but sweet, but hopefully you'll like this video, you subscribe to my channel, and if you've got any questions about that, just drop it in below, and hopefully I can help out later. But cheers and have a great day.